Stay away from. Dangerous. Dangerous boxes. These stop the blood flow to your legs. Don't buy them boxes unless you're going to throw them away. They are 10 for 10 quid. Don't buy them. Don't buy them. Right, so we are back in Icmeler and we're back to Alvaro where me and Bobby were earlier on in the week. Me, my wife and the kids. We stayed here as well. For cheapness, safety, cleanliness, this is one of the most budget friendly hotels that you'll find. Look at these, even these lanterns are new. This is Alvaro in Icmeler. We're going to leave them with you, mate.
Oh, again, Craig. Lovely to see you, my
Don't
mate.
let me leave that this time.
Oh, no.
Listen, people think I lose my passport. They think I'm lying. What did I do last time?
Yeah, you forgot the passport.
I left in a taxi on the way to Holidays. We got 20 minutes away. I got a phone call. Craig, you've left your passport. I went, I didn't leave it. He just didn't give me it.
Yeah.
He didn't give me it.
Yeah, because we let him stay here forever.
Thank you very much, mate. We'll see you soon. Can we leave that here as well? Or do you want us to take it? Okay, well. Right, let's go. Best bargain buys. This is Alvaro in Icmeler. Let's go, lads. Let me show you the entrance for Alvaro. Usually we'll park our scooters up here as well. Electric scooters. This is Alvaro. And just down there is Best Bargain Buys. Chai. No chai for me. This is my chai. Cheers. Chai tomorrow. Thank you, Etem. Right, everyone, we have just came from Holidays over to Marmaris, then Icmeler, which is where I am right now. And this is the beautiful area of Icmeler. That is a nice car. Maybe get one when I get home. Look at the views in Icmeler. It is warm today. It is hot today. I am sweating today. And this is Best Bargain Buys. Right, everyone, let's go inside, take a look. Very soon, I know you're going to know. So I have been told by Rochelle we forgot X, Y and Z, so I need to make sure that I get them before I leave. Best Bargains. I need to get some socks because I haven't brought none over from Holidays. And you've now got big suitcases.
Yes.
Spend 300 quid, free suitcase.
Yes, definitely.
Let's spend it. Let's spend it. Let's get this.
Yeah.
Let's get it opened up.
I will say.
And let's spend £300 at Best Bargain Buys. All right, Dave. And if you're not following the adventure of Dave Parker, give him a follow now.
Now my top's off.
Woo! Hang on, you've just been blocked. There is women with there. Look at this. The prices are on everything at Best Bargain Buys. If you don't know that by now, then you have not been following me for that long. So what I do need is socks. 100% I brought none from Holidays.
Okay.
How
many package you want?
So I'm going to get the
Black and white?
two for 10, is it?
Yeah, 2 for 10.
2 for 10. White, please. White Nike. 2 white Nike, please. So what I'll do when I'm over in Turkey is them white Nike socks, the white Nike socks when I'm in Turkey, obviously you're sweating all day if you're wearing trainers, you walk around as much as I do. I just bin them. They cost next to nothing, they cost a tenner, 24 pairs, and I just bin the socks. Then I take a pack to take home with me that I use and wash. Oh, I like that, Dave, I like that. England vest there. So this is all the children's section and it is massive. The good thing about Best Bargain Buys is the price is on everything, like you can see.
And the full sizes.
All full, what do you mean?
I mean, like, somewhere say don't have the sizes.
You have all sizes.
We have.
You have the. Where is the British Eating League shirt? I'm not seeing it. I don't see it. Yeah, somewhere is it, mate. Somewhere is it. Turn that round. Let's have a look. Cattleman Steakhouse. Thank you very much for sponsoring. Dad Loves Foods on both of them. Zero card print centres on there as well. Patty Freaks in Lichfield near Birmingham. Best Bargain Buys is on there as well. And on the top of that one is Graham Vegas. So that top is available at Best Bargain Buys in Icmeler. If you're in England, it's also available on dadlovesfood.co.uk and also britisheatingleague.uk. So let's keep looking around the shop. Boxes, please. 5XL.
Yep.
Don't listen. Let me give you as a fact. Do not listen to them in the shop. Don't listen to them when they say, you just go one size up on boxes.
Yes.
No, you don't. In England, I would say I'm an XL. Here, I'm a 5XL in them boxes. 5XL, please, mate. Bobby's a 4XL. I'm a 5XL. Honestly, get them out. Check your sizes. Try on the clothes, because once you spend 300 quid a year, which everybody does to get the free suitcase, check the sizes. You know, the lads around here, they don't follow you around. Aussies with me now to give me advice.
Yes.
And that's what they do. They're not watching in case you steal anything. They're there because you could be a large in that top, but it could be a tight fitting over here. You could be an XL, 2XL. Definitely. It all depends on the material and the fittings of each top.
Sometimes finish on the size on the shelf. That's why we bring it up.
And then you have more out back as well. Even though the shop is one of the biggest that you will find across Marmaris, across Icmeler, the biggest shop for clothes. It is nuts. You won't find bargains like this anywhere else but Best Bargain Buys. Their real Facebook page. Oh, I got this the other day as well. Beautiful hoodie.
Up to 7XL.
7XL?
Yep.
I think I got 3XL.
I think 2.
2XL. Yeah, yeah. 2XL. It was big. Now these boxes, stay away from. Dangerous. Dangerous boxes. These stop the blood flow to your legs. Don't buy them boxes unless you're going to throw them away. They are 10 for 10 quid. Don't buy them. Don't buy them.
But people can wear on the...
You can wear them, you can cut them so you feel your balls are loose again.
Yes.
But honestly, they stop the blood flow to your legs. They should be free. You spend 300 quid, you should get them free for your holiday.
You can have it.
Free?
Yes. Free.
If I spend 300 quid?
Okay.
No problem, mate. No problem.
Oh, uncle.
Let's keep looking. So back here is the men's hoodies, the unisex. You've got the jackets here as well. And I absolutely love it at Best Bargain Buys. You know, every time I come, I don't bring clothes. I didn't bring clothes from the UK. I didn't bring clothes back from Oldenese Hisaronu. And I'm also short a suitcase. So what I need to do is spend 300 quid today. All new tracksuits. Good price as well, mate. Good price. So let me know what you think of Best Bargain Buys. Let me know what you want to see more of. But this is Icmeler in April in 2026. And if you want my book, by the way, I brought 2 books out this year. I had a busy winter. Took me 2 years to write one, not that long to write the other. One is about competitive eating, one is a mindset book. And they're both behind the counter at Best Bargain Buys. Listen, so Best Bargain Buys bags was meant to be open the other week, then it was meant to be open the other day, then it was to be open today. That is definitely not open to me, that. This used to be 2 years ago, Titanic restaurant where I had my wedding meal. They're now scraping off logos on the windows. And they're now going to have the windows all see-through. So you can see every single bag in there. The left of the shop has got suitcases. I'm over the moon with that. As well as aircon being fitted. The floor is new. The shelving's new. Everything in this shop is brand new. And this is going to be Best Bargain Buys bags. You open? How much is this? £10. Oh, this one? Oh, £10. Thank you, Tom Sowell. So every single bag in this shop will be £10. It's not open right now. It will be open tomorrow, maybe. Tomorrow, like half of the shop at least. This will be the biggest bag collection in Marmaris and Icmeler, and it's all a tenner. But he's going to have a secret room out the back, which will have other ones where people say, oh, I don't want this one. I want a better quality one. Secret room out back with better bags. That is Best Bargain Buys bags. That is Best Bargain Buys clothes. 3 doors down is Best Bargain Buys shoes. And just across the road is, what's across there, Jimmy? Just across the road, Jimmy's watches. See you on the next one. Sheriff, huh?